One of the things that inspires me as a woodworker is when I get to visit other woodworkers and we have a chance to share ideas and have a look and see what one another's doing. And today I'm going to take you along. I'm going to go visit Paul McCuish today. Paul had a recent gallery show, so I'm going to start off by showing you some of the pictures at his gallery show, and then we'll have a look at some of the pieces that he's made that are actually in his house. And then I've got a couple of amazing boats to show you that he's built, and then we'll do a visit of his workshop and some of the pieces that he's working on there. So let's start off by looking at some of his gallery pieces. And to start off with, we have this wall cabinet with book-matched spalted panels. It's a stunning piece. Next is a executive desk, walnut, and just another lovely, lovely piece. Next is a coffee table. And Paul mentioned that the shape of the board is what inspired the shape of this coffee table. And lastly, we have a floor standing cabinet, and this time figured maple door and drawer fronts. Beautiful. And I found that actually photographing the pieces in Paul's house was far easier and more detailed than trying to do video of them. So this is a figured maple box, and look at the detail. This is the kind of thing that makes a woodworker stand apart, when you finally can start making detail like this. And this cabinet was something I'd never seen before. Now it looks like a wall standing or a floor standing cabinet, and he's got a few boxes on top. But what I want you to see, check out the legs. Look at how Paul has created the legs so they actually look like they're part of the carcass. They blend in. The wood is perfectly matched in the sides. They just sort of blend right into the side. And it happens to be an adult entertainment cabinet. Next we have this green and green inspired end table. And I love the detail of the highlighted wood, the darker woods in that. And Paul has quite a number of boxes, and look at all of the detail. So many things, so much can be done with boxes, just amazing. And when you open the lid on it, you can see even more detail. And again, it's these detail things that really make wood pieces stand apart. And there's a little desk or cabinet with some shelving in it. And finally, one last box, and you can see all the curves in this. These are very difficult to get all of these curves just right. So the first thing Paul showed me when we walked in here is this gorgeous boat that he built, and I don't think you're going to be able to feel or see the just how wonderful it is, because we lose so much on camera. And this is did you say a 14-foot boat that you built?
It's 14 feet, yeah.
It's a beautiful, and it looks like there's a place for two sets of oars.
There should be a place for 3 sets of oars.
Okay.
The middle one is if you're rowing on your own.
Okay.
And if you're rowing with 2, there's a station for sitting on this thwart.
Okay.
And there should be oar locks on the aft thwart.
Yeah.
But my wife either rows it or I row it, and if we were to row it in tandem,
yeah,
it would make a short day of it.
Now this looks like it's all cedar. Is this a cedar strip?
It's cedar strip.
Yeah.
The rub rails here, and the thwarts,
yeah,
and the bow stem
okay,
are sapele, which is a much harder, denser wood.
Okay. Just honestly, it's just an amazing work of art. Really good work, Paul. Really good. So it's a little harder to get all of this kayak in one. So I'm going to give you a bit of a panned view of it. And this is another one. I love kayaking, but I'd be afraid to take this one out because I'd scratch it or something.
I'll let you take that one out, Colin.
Yeah. So as I walk through your shop, you've got kind of the standard tools, but do you know how many square feet you've got in this workshop?
It's 24 by 40 feet.
Okay, 24
It's
by
a
40.
very big space.
Yeah.
Not such a functional space because there are no walls to speak of to hang things on.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's a good sized floor space.
Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful size. I see you've got a lathe here. Are you much of a lathe user?
I'm not. One of my boys uses that occasionally to make little things.
And I'm not sure what this is here.
That's a little overhead router. Somebody gave me that tool, and I didn't think I'd ever really use it very much.
I've never seen something like that.
Yeah, it's there are bigger, much more functional overhead routers. This one,
Wow.
I just clamped a router that somebody else gave me into it.
Huh. That's interesting. It's like a little drill press, so you can put it at whatever depth you want and then move around almost like a manual CNC machine, I guess in a sense.
Basically, that's what it is.
Reverse router. I've never seen that before. Huh. And your bandsaw, and in front your table saw, and you've got a nice big massive table saw. And a little hard to see from the camera angle here, but you've got a shaper in here as well. It's got an entire work area in here with it looks like you've got 2 routers here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I had this router table in an old shop that I had, and then I found the table saw on Craigslist in Nanaimo,
Yeah.
and it had a router table on it.
Oh,
And there's no sense not using them both, and it's kind of convenient to have both and use that as an outfeed table as well. Used, but it runs really well still.
yeah. Yeah, and these some of these old tools, they may be old, but they were built so well, and they were built for production. So that when we finally get them, when they move them out of production, and some of them were lightly used in production, by the time we get them, sort of hobbyists like we are, these machines have still got tons of life in them yet. And they're still doing an amazing good job. It's you can get some really good deals on older industrial machines that still have a lot of life left in them. But you've also got 2 workspaces, and this is for tables or something.
Yeah, it's nice to have something that is low. It's nice to have it for hand planing, something that's heavy, and it's a workbench that I had in my old workshop, and I just kept it with me. When I found that one, somebody in Ladysmith was selling that one, and I couldn't resist having that, so I wound up with 2.
That's a really nice workbench. I see you're working on a table here. Let's have a look at that. So is this a table that you're building, or what's happening with this table?
I built this some years ago for one of my boys, and I'm just refinishing the top now. So I've stripped the old finish off it, and it looks pretty modelly and dull. It's got a couple coats of shellac on it, but it'll come back again.
Okay, and you've got some inlay in here as well.
Yeah, that's a strip of yew wood that I put in it. One of my boys is a criminologist at SFU, and he wanted that in. It's a graph that criminologists use that show the likelihood of somebody committing violent crimes according to their age.
Oh, really?
So yeah, over where your finger was there, that's us old guys.
Okay.
We're pretty mellowed out by now. We started pretty mellow. These
that's right.
fellows are probably in grade 4 or 5, and your teenage years are a little rougher. And watch out for these guys. I don't want to give gang fellows a bad reputation, but yeah,
Yeah,
that's where
okay.
they are.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
don't worry, Mom, they mellow out as well.
So what kind of wood is this? This looks like
That's,
almost looks like a mahogany. Is it?
it's walnut.
It is walnut, eh?
It's
Okay.
Claro walnut
Okay.
that I found in a fellow's basement in
Okay.
Nanaimo.
Yep. And you're finishing it with shellac again then?
Yeah, probably 4 or 5 coats of shellac
Okay.
and 2 or 3 coats of rubbing varnish or polyurethane over top of that.
Yeah.
So it's got a ways to go, and
Yep.
it'll look quite different when it's done.
And I love the legs on this too. And I'm looking at the detail of this, the bottom of this desk here. I love this combination of the legs and the stretchers and this curved piece in here. But my eye keeps getting drawn to the little cabinet you've got over there. Can we have a look at that with a violin in it? So I love this kind of design of cabinet. Is there a sort of a generic name for these kinds of cabinets? Are they just wall cabinets or stand cabinets or?
This one I'd call a cabinet on stand, but it's another James Krenov design, actually copied from 2 of his cabinets.
Okay.
His violin cabinet was just the top of it, and it was a wall cabinet.
Yeah.
And I built it and got it finished and didn't like it so much on its own, and I copied another one of his designs
Oh,
from
okay.
a cabinet on stand
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
put it on the stand.
I like that. Yeah. So did you make the door handles as well?
I made the door pulls.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just a little dowel with a piece of leather wrapped around
Oh,
it.
okay. Can we open it?
Yep, we sure can.
And these are my mind's gone blank for these hinges, knife hinges on the.
Yeah,
on
they're
the
called
ends.
knife hinges.
Yeah. And there's drawers. Now this is a special cabinet that you're making. And are the drawers associated with the violin in the cabinet, or is this?
The drawers are for bows, the violin bows.
Oh, I see. Okay, so it's a violin cabinet, and these are for bows. I got it.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was built just for his violin.
Yeah.
His violin is bigger than this one. I'll have to change this little thing here
Okay,
so
yeah.
it'll fit.
Wow.
And it'll take up more space in there.
Paul, I want to thank you for taking all of us on a bit of a adventure outside of Colin's workshop and doing something different, seeing other work and things that other people do. We love your detail. I know everybody's going to agree. We love your detail. It's just inspiring to see another woodworker. So thanks for taking us on a tour of your place.
Thank you, Colin.
Okay.
It's been fun.
Good. And that concludes my video for today.